Imagine a facility where precision engineering meets the future of construction. Technocraft's factory is redefining industry standards. Technocraft blends innovation with efficiency, shaping skylines around the world through advanced aluminum extrusions and formwork solutions. A relentless commitment to quality and speed sets this facility apart, with sustainability always at the core. High-grade aluminum billets are transformed into complex profiles with exacting tolerances using state-of-the-art presses. Automated lines ensure consistency, while advanced quality control systems inspect each piece to guarantee flawless results. The impact is clear: lighter, stronger components lower energy consumption throughout their life cycle. Technocraft pioneers seamless monolithic formwork for faster, safer, and cost-effective construction. Modular panels are crafted for easy assembly, reducing labor and waste at construction sites. Each panel undergoes rigorous durability tests, ensuring reliability for demanding projects. Innovation here is a culture. Skilled teams use data-driven insights to improve output and efficiency. Every product meets global standards, with certifications and full traceability from raw materials to finished goods. Technocraft's facility is where advanced technology, sustainability, and human expertise converge to support modern skylines. This is the silent force behind robust structures and visionary design, powering the future of construction worldwide.